Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's video I want to do there's a turn signal that's not working on this side as well as on this side. I fixed on this side already and it looks like it has the same issue on the other side. So by looking at the bulb, as you can see, it's in working condition, and you may need to clean those, the positive and the negative. So I'm gonna do that by cleaning it with this or use some sandpaper. But if you're gonna clean here, make sure you disconnect it here before you clean it, because if you cause a spark, because if your vehicle is running, or you know, it can actually blow your fuse. So make sure you disconnect it like this, okay, and then you can clean or do whatever. So, and to remove this light, it holds like right here, like that, and just this. So unscrew this from the back, from that bolt over there, and then pull it this way. As you can see, it locks like that, the bottom and the top, and then you can actually, you have the access to this light here. Then you just turn it, I don't remember which way, I think towards up position, and then, so the main reason is, as you can see, this, the negative, I think this is positive right here, the center is positive, and the negative right there, it's burned. As you can see, you may not see it though. I'll try to zoom in. So this negative, as you can see, it's burned. Okay, so you can buy a new one like that, okay, or you can try fixing the way I am fixing it. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and pull it this way, okay, because when it's burnt, like, it's not touching this, and that's why there's no contact and it's not working. So it was the same thing on the other side. So I just need two hands to do this. Okay, so as you can see, I bent it closer this way. It's kind of hard to see, but so it would actually be touching the negative here. Okay, so I cleaned. You can sand or do whatever, or just scrape it like this with your screwdriver. And I also cleaned this one. Now let's insert it and see. Actually, you pull it down to open and pull it up to lock. Okay, as you can see, it's working. It's kind of hard to get this back on because not much space over here for your fingers or your hands, but now you know the problem to it. And the reason it's happening is because the lights are pretty big and they pull a lot energy, and if you actually install LED lights, there will be no issues like that. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like the video if it was helpful.